Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall Sublime Text on Windows. Okay, so there are three ways you can uninstall Sublime Text on Windows. So we'll see them one by one. The first one is using Control Panel. Second one is using Settings. Third one is using the Sublime Text Uninstaller. Okay, so first let us see how to uninstall Sublime Text via Control Panel. To uninstall Sublime Text via Control Panel, press Windows R. You can type in Control or appwiz.cpl. Click Enter. This opens up the Control Panel, Programs and Features. Here you can see all the applications listed. So click on Sublime Text, right click, uninstall, or you can directly click on uninstall. It gives you your security prompt first. Select yes. And here click on yes. Okay, so the uninstall is successful. Give OK. So you can see that the Sublime Text is removed from the programs and features. This is one way to uninstall using the control panel. The second way is using the settings. So to uninstall Sublime Text via settings, go to Windows settings first. Press Windows I. This brings up the settings. Click on apps, installed apps. Type Sublime Text in search. Okay, the Sublime Text comes up. So click on the three dots, uninstall. Click uninstall. So this will give you a security pop-up first. Click on yes, then click yes here. So uninstallation is done. Click OK. So we can see that the Sublime Text is removed. This is the second method. So now let us see how to uninstall Sublime Text via the third method using the Sublime Text Uninstaller. For that, first go to Windows Explorer to the path C Program Files Sublime Text. And here you must be able to see uninstall.exe. Okay, exe, this is the one. So sometimes you can see it as uninstall.exe. In this case, it is unins000.exe. So this is the uninstaller. Just double click on it. You will first see a security prompt. Give yes. Then you will see this pop up. So click yes here. So uninstallation is completed. Give OK. So uninstallation is done. You can check that Sublime Text folder is removed. So this is the third method to uninstall Sublime Text. Okay, so once you have uninstalled Sublime Text using any one of the three methods, next you have to clean up all the leftover files. For that, press Windows R. Here type in app data within percentage. So enter. This opens up the app data roaming folder. Here you will be able to see that Sublime Text folder is present. Okay, just delete this folder. After this, you need to press Windows R. Type in local app data within percentage. Click enter. Here go to the folder Sublime Text. Okay, this is the folder. It will be present inside local folder, app data local. So just click on this and delete it. So this is how you can do the cleanup of the leftover files once Sublime Text is uninstalled. So I have also documented the steps that we have discussed in today's video here as a reference guide. You can also go through these steps. Okay, I have documented all the three methods here and the cleanup that we have done. So you can also refer this. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.